The human body is a complex machine made of many internal organs.
But how many internal organs does the human body actually have?
Explains. Let's explore the answer step by step. Internal organs are body parts located inside the body. Easier to support. They are protected by bones, muscles, and tissues. These organs perform essential life functions. The human body contains around 78 organs. Doctors focus mainly on 20 to 25 major internal organs. The brain is the control center of the body. Like intestines, it controls thinking, memory, movement, and breathing. Strength. The heart pumps blood throughout the body. It delivers oxygen and nutrients to every cell. The lungs help us breathe. They supply oxygen and remove carbon dioxide. The liver cleans toxins from the blood, so helps with digestion and energy storage. The kidneys filter waste from the blood. The kidneys filter waste from the blood. They maintain fluid and electrode balance. The stomach breaks down food using acid. The small intestine absorbs nutrients. The large intestine removes waste from the body. The pancreas controls blood sugar levels. The spleen supports the immune system. The bladder stores urine before release. Reproductive organs allow human reproduction. They also produce important hormones. All organs work together as one system. Even one organ failure can affect the whole body. Line. In total, humans have about 78 organs. Your body is your power, and mostly people never understand it. Subscribe to Body Next and unlock the secrets of your body.